Imagine this, the oils in your kitchen might not be what you think they are part of a 100-year-old industrial experiment. Welcome to Clean Carnivore, where we keep health simple, clean, and rooted in truth. Every video here is built on careful research, personally authored for this channel, and enhanced with images that make the message easier to see and understand. AI tools help bring the visuals to life, but the ideas, the words, and the care are always human.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button, click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps grow small channels like ours.
Let me take you back over 100 years when cottonseed was nothing more than toxic waste. Then Procter & Gamble had a brilliant idea. Transform this waste into Crisco, the first mass-produced seed oil. They marketed it as cleaner and healthier than traditional animal fats. Decades later, government health agencies jumped on board. They promoted seed oils as heart-healthy alternatives. Soon, these industrial oils replaced traditional fats in every American kitchen. But here's what they didn't tell you. These oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. They oxidize easily, especially when heated, creating toxic byproducts that your body was never designed to handle. The result? Chronic inflammation throughout your body. And inflammation is the root cause of virtually every chronic disease plaguing us today. Heart disease, diabetes, obesity, autoimmune conditions, all potentially linked to this 100-year experiment we've been unknowingly participating in. This is the 100-year lie that's been fueling the modern disease epidemic. What was once industrial waste is now in nearly every processed food you eat. But now you know the truth. Now that you know the truth about seed oils, you might be wondering, what about animal fats? Were they really so bad, or have we been lied to? That's exactly what we'll uncover in the next episode. I am committed to fresh, engaging, and provocative content, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific Time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something.